Hey guys, in this video we're going to learn how to build a new website using StarChat and Wix AI. The first thing you want to do is in your browser navigate to wix.com. You'll land on the page you see here. Here you can create a brand new Wix account by clicking Get Started either here or here. If you have an existing account, then you click Login right here. We're going to log into an existing account, so we'll click Login. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. Your Wix dashboard is your user interface for managing everything associated with your Wix account. That could be account settings, billing, profile information, apps you install, and, of course, your website. When you first come into your dashboard, Wix will take you right to the All Sites category where we have the ability to build our first site. Let's click Create New Site, which we can do either here or here to build our new site. Once we click Create New Site, the website builder will be engaged. Within the website builder, we have two options to build our website. We can use StarChat or Setup without chat. If you like explaining your vision and letting AI build it, you definitely want to choose StarChat. If you prefer a click guided setup with less typing, then you want to use Setup without chat. For this video, we're going to use StarChat. So once you click StarChat, AI will engage and start to ask you a series of questions to help build the initial foundation layout of your website. As you can see, the first question it wants to know is, what is your site all about? When describing your site, more information is better. There's three things you definitely want Wix to know. 1, what you do. 2, who's it for. 3, style or personality. Keep in mind, the more detailed your prompt, the better your site looks. For this video, we're going to type in the following. I run a personal training business for busy professionals. I want a clean, bold, energetic website with booking options. Once you input your answer, go ahead and click the right arrow. The AI will take your information and start to build your website. Now it wants to know the name of your personal training business. Since you're building a new website, you may not have a name for your website yet. In that case, you can click Help Me Answer, and AI will look at the input you gave it and determine names that it feels applies to the website it's trying to build for your business. And as you can see, it came up with a few: Fit and Focus, Peak Performance Coaching, Busy Body Fitness, etc. All cool names and all very aptly applied. In our case, we're going to go ahead and put in Bright Path Coaching for the name of our business. Keep in mind, you can always change your business name later in setup if you don't like the name you choose or if you move past this step with no business name. Once again, AI will take the information you provided and continue to form its series of questions that it wants to present to you in order to build your website. Here you go. We got site profile built, Bright Path Coaching over here on the right. So the next question is, what type of services do you offer to your clients? You always want to list your services and provide as many services as possible. Wix AI will create service sections automatically based on your reply. So for our example, we're going to input the following: one-on-one coaching, group coaching, online courses. The Wix AI editor will continue to take your information and build your website. Now, for clarity, these questions can go on and on. There might be a point where you decide, hey, I think we have enough to start the website. And if you feel that is the case, then you can stop this build by clicking End Chat and Continue, which we're going to do. Wix takes the information you provided and is preparing your dashboard for your specific website, in this case, Bright Path Coaching. And there you go. Your website has now been created. Here you can continue to set up your website and your business using the different sections But at this point, you now have a website built in Wix. Congratulations. Good job. Thank you for watching.